we take you to the glamorous and glittering India Travel Awards East held in Kolkata. India Travel Awards Night was a black tie event based on online nominations and voting. To keep the awards unbiased, an online nomination and voting system was adopted. Nominations were received for over 95 different categories and over 5,58,480 votes were received from 45 countries.
To encourage all those awardees, I think it will help a lot, not only for the sake of tourism, but the immense growth of the trade and the prosperity for any part of India.
And the winners for India Travel Awards East are Best Foreign Exchange Provider, Centrum Direct; Best Global Distribution System, Abacus; Best Design and Debut Hotel, Novotel Kolkata Hotel and Residences; Best Business Hotel, The Peerless Inn, Kolkata; Best Wildlife Resort, Sundarban Tiger Camp; Best Cruise Travel Agent, Just Holidays; Fastest Growing Hotel Brand, Summit Hotels and Resorts; Best Inbound Tour Operator, Clubside Tours and Travels; Best MICE Operator, Incentives and Conference Planners.
We have seen a lot of potential from East, and then we are very gung-ho on the kind of travelers which are taking on foreign tours.
But I think there's a great amount of potential when I look at my business from East India. And I think a recognition like this to various people who have done a great job would be a great way to promote.
Now it's our time to shine. And so this particular award gives us that insight to shine.
This is the great opportunity for all of us who are into hospitality industry, because this award is going to bring all of us together.
It's going to give a boost to the tourism industry in the East, and it is also going to bring a new level of luxury to actually be recognized all over India.
It's catered, there will be more opportunity, more exposures, and people will be coming forward to enjoy the traveling and other.
I think it's a good thing, people over here have been working very hard, and this is the first time I see somewhere where people want to recognize.
Mainly the tourism circuit belongs probably in the north or in the south. So East India definitely, I think, deserves to be a part of the tourism circuit, and I think this is a huge encouragement.
Journey from a small town girl to an entrepreneur, it was tough, but really after getting the award, it's worth it.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Traf Talk TV. But do stay connected for more.